We know about adjectives and adverbs. Now we're going to talk about comparatives and superlatives. Most adjectives can be described in degrees. This means that something can have more or less of the adjective's quality. A regular comparative is when we use an adjective like cold, but we're comparing it to something else. So it could be colder. We use er for the comparative for short adjectives. That means adjectives with one syllable. We just add er to form the comparative. For example, cold is colder, sharp is sharper. Adjectives ending in y, we add ier. For example, lucky is luckier, funny is funnier, easy, easier, pretty, prettier. Longer adjectives that have start with more, if it's more than one syllable, like modern, serious, expensive, then it's more modern, more serious, more expensive, more comfortable. When you're using comparatives and it's colder, luckier, or more modern, you want to remember to use than in this sentence. For example, it's cheaper to go by car than by train, or my couch is more modern than my old couch. Here are some examples. Athens is older than Rome. Oranges is more expensive than bananas. John is taller than Michael. A superlative is a word that compares one thing to a group of things. For example, this one thing stands out over the group. For example, you're most ambitious, you're not just ambitious, or more ambitious, you're the most ambitious. That's a superlative. It's the coldest. You're most comfortable. This is the driest weather ever. Here's some examples, more examples. The church is the oldest building in the town. English is the most important language in business. Alaska is the largest state in the U.S. There are irregular comparative and superlatives, and here's a chart. It's bad, but something is worse, and then one of them is the worst of all. So you have bad, worse, worst. If something is good, something else could be better, and another thing could be the best. So it's by degrees. You have good, better, best, little, less, least, many, more, most. These are irregular because you cannot just add er or iest to the comparative or superlative form of the word.